Okay, welcome to another JMD Janitorial Tutorial Cleaning 101 at one of my clients here. They have a small restroom, but the issue that occurs with here is underneath the air dryer. I'm quite sure some of y'all see how that moisture from the air dryer gets inside of the grout. And then your clients may complain because of the discoloration that's on it. So let me take a step back so you can see what I'm talking about. Again, we're in a restroom. Okay, and this tutorial is to how to remove or clean the grout or underneath the air dryer. And what we're going to use is some of my favorite products. I'll tell you, I exclusively, me personally, use Spartan products, but I have another Spartan product, Spar Cream. This is a liquid cream cleanser. It's a mild abrasive, okay? Action softly, scours away tough soils. That's what we're looking for. Okay, it's a mild abrasive, okay, but it's going to scour away the tough soil. Another Spartan product. Me personally, JMD, we exclusively use Spartan products. Yes, we do. So, I have my trusted tool here. Ta-da! My trusted tool. That's what I'm going to use to go over this. See, turn the pad over. You don't want to go crazy here, but just a nice little drop. Okay, there we go. Okay, then I'm just going to use this tool and I'm going to go right inside of that grout. You see? And all the moisture that's caused from the air dryer. Okay. Thanks for watching another JMD Janitorial Tutorial. How to clean underneath the air dryers when that moisture clearly sometimes causes discoloration. It causes a film, and you can clean the grout and you can see the discoloration in the grout and you can remove that. Okay. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share the channel. Cleaning 101. Professional, reliable, and great customer service. JMD Janitorial.